Hey guys, welcome to online learning. That's what we have from now on. So I am going to show you how online learning is going to look for math strategies class. Here is our course page for you guys. At the top, you're going to see my contact information. Just click the folder. That's my email. There's my office hours. You can reach out to me during office hours and I will answer your questions. There's a lot of people that have kind of the same question. Maybe we could even make a video session, a live session, and get your questions all answered at the same time that way. Those are some times for you guys to send me questions. Back to the main page here. Below the contact information, there is our syllabus. Scroll down here. There's my email again. Lifetime information, the link to meet for lifetimes in Schoology. You'll see that in a second. When do we meet? We meet Mondays and Wednesdays from 1:20 to 1:35. They're 15-minute sessions. We don't have a lot of time. They're twice a week, 15-minute sessions. And those are the times. Live times when you ask questions, and I probably will go over a few problems as well. All live sessions are going to be recorded and posted to Schoology, but if I'm recording something, I cannot record your interactions with me or anyone else. It has to just be me talking when I record. So when I record and what I record and post will only be me talking. But I'll post that way. It's probably going to be me going over problems that I'll post. That way people can view it later if they need to. And we take attendance. We make sure that you got on the live session, did your assignments, etc. We're going to keep doing attendance in ways like that. Lifetime expectations. Mute your mic. I have it set on Zoom, which is the platform I'm using. I'm using Zoom. I have it set so that when you get in, it's muted. You're going to be muted when you get in. So if you're unmuted for whatever reason, make sure you mute yourself unless you have something very important to bring up. I really don't think you should be talking. Ask all questions unless it's really a big need. Just ask the question in the chat. That'll be much easier for us all and help it run smoother. Muting your mic does help everything run smoother and there's no background noise. Remember, you're on camera on some of these sessions and you're live, so dress and act as if you were in a regular classroom setting. That's the etiquette. Make sure you do that. When you're using the chat during the live session, only use it for chatting, asking questions about math content. Don't use it for just random comments. Use it the right way. If for whatever reason you don't get your question answered during live time, you can email me during those office hours. Office hours, asking questions that way during that time is the best. But you could also ask during live time, and if you don't get that question answered during live time for whatever reason, make sure you ask it during office hours. Don't just let it go. Ask questions as much as possible so we can get you your help. Those are my office hours again. Just had them in the syllabus here as well. Instructional videos that I post are going to be on Schoology. Just like everything else, the videos are 10 minutes or less. They're not super duper long. They're 10 minutes or less. 10 minutes is the max. You're expected to watch the videos the day before we meet for live time, basically. So that way you know what questions you have, because I want you to watch the videos, take notes, and if you still have questions, then you know what questions you need to ask during the live time or during office hours. So here's an extra resource link you could click on. It's got a few math things you could look at. What are you learning? Here's the concepts. You're going to be learning finding the square root of a number and squaring numbers, finding the cube root of a number and cubing numbers using the Pythagorean theorem, finding the volume of a cylinder, pyramid, cone, and sphere. And just so you know, all assignments are on Schoology just like everything else. And here's the important thing. There are no quizzes and tests for this class the rest of the year. We will only have assignments. All assignments that you complete are open note and you're allowed to use a calculator. There's no limitations on that. Let's finish the school year strong. So that's kind of the syllabus that I made. If you want to check it out, there's a pacing guide here that'll have everything that we're doing and when we're doing it. You can check that out. Just click the link. Here is the link for our live sessions. You just click and then open Zoom, and it'll take you right to it. This is the link to take you to Freckle, and this is your class code in case you don't remember it. And then the rest of this is just folders for each week. So whatever week we're in, I'll post the assignments in that week, and I'll post the videos, everything in that week, so that you know, hey, it's this week. Click on that week, and you can look at everything inside there. So that is a rundown of what our course page is going to look like. If you have any other questions, just send me an email and let me know. Look forward to seeing you guys on the live sessions and hearing from you in emails. Talk to y'all later.